Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be doing a really fun, relaxing DIY project and we're going to be making a painting for our home. I'm really excited about this one. I love painting and I haven't had the time to do it a lot recently, so that was one of my goals for the new year, was to start to paint a little bit more again. I think this is going to be a really fun project and it's one that you could totally switch up and change the look of it to match your vibe. If you're interested in doing a really chill, relaxing DIY project with me, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my videos. I have new videos every Sunday. We are going to get right into our art piece.
I'll say this nice, tell it in a letter, stamp and mail it out. We did our best, couldn't have done better, I think we should be proud. But you held me down when I was living up, back and forth but never together. So I'll stand up and walk out and make my way alone for now.
Okay, so we have our easel all set up. I actually just got this easel not that long ago. I had one very similar to it for a very long time, like since high school, but it just got kind of old and started falling apart, so I got a new one. So we set it all up and it's ready to go. I'm gonna be using a canvas about this size, but you can do any size that you want. It really just depends on your space and what you need. And I'll go ahead and put the inspiration photos for this art piece that we're going to be doing on the screen. The main one that we're kind of replicating is actually a print that I've seen on a bunch of different websites, platforms, things like that. I've seen it on like Temu, Amazon, Pinterest, all over the place. And it's based off of a old English China pattern for like plates and things like that. Let's go ahead and get started with our painting. We will start by just kind of sketching everything out.
Holy as a ghost, heavy as a feather, pure as the driven snow. But watch your back, it's heartbreak weather, I think it's time you go. My mind's made up, my mind's made up. We keep doing this but nothing's getting better, so I'll stand up and walk out and make my way alone for now. They say you'll find yours in time, but I'm not sure what's yours and what's mine.
Making the oval perfect or any of these shapes perfect. We're gonna have the fabric on this outer edge anyways, but it's meant to be a little bit uneven and a little bit wobbly of a line and just kind of like a more unfinished sort of edge.
To be a poet or a sage, all I can do is just tell you in this simple way, yeah, I'm so in love with you.
And a little trick, if you ever put something down and you don't like how it looks, you can take a little bit of your paint thinner on a paper towel and just wipe it off. And as long as there's nothing under it that you're trying to keep, then you'll get like a little clean slate.
I don't know what to do. I'm so
able to see it because we're going to cover it with fabric. I'm going to roughly just paint out this edge in this bluish gray color that I made so that if the fabric is cut a little bit off or moves at all, or if you can see any color coming through, it's all going to be consistent.
And I know you love me too, yeah. Your love's all I need to get by in this life. And on this day, I promise you to give you mine, yeah. I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do. I'm so in love with you. And I know you love me too, yeah. I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do. I'm so in love with you. And I know you love me too.
Sitting by the fireside, really feeling that I like every little time that I get a chance to close my eyes. If you're gonna make it soon, maybe we could get our room, but I need some rest from gloom. Otherwise I feel I'm doomed. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me, or to a place that you thought you never really see. You'd be looking funny when you're living so free. But all I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many things, I prayed that they were wrong. But I'm still happy now, just think of what could be if I was still around. The schedules were free. I'm missing the seas I'd swing when I used to truly bring everything I had to bring. I'd given everything. I just wanna live in bliss. Baby, can you grant this wish? You're the piece that might just fit in my puzzle that's in bits. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me, or to a place that you thought you never really see. You'd be looking funny when you're living so free. But all I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many things, I prayed that they were wrong. But I'm still happy now, just think of what could be if I was still around. The schedules were free.
video. I hope that you enjoyed making some DIY art with me and that it's something that you will be able to hang in your home and add to your decor, but also just be a nice memory and something that you enjoyed doing. I really love making my own art for our home. I do it pretty often. I think it's just really special and unique and something that no one else has. And even if you're doing it based off of something that you see online or trying to create a dupe for something, it's still really nice to be able to put your own touch to it. So if you enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to like it and leave me a comment so that I can hear how your art piece turned out or what you thought of this week's project. And make sure to check in next week so that you can see more of our DIY projects on Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on Sunday.